Welcome back. We have been sharing knowledge on management and organization behavior. I am Dr. Maharajan with you. We have been discussing about the group behavior in Unit 4. So before we proceed further, let us recollect. Yes, this is the fourth video in the series. Let's recollect what we have studied so far. So we have seen about groups. We have seen about how groups form. We have seen the stages of group forming, storming, norming, performing, and others. And we have seen the group's norms and cohesions. We have also touched upon the group conflicts, how different types of group conflicts. Of course, we are going to further study about them in the next videos. Now, what we are going to do in this today in this video, can you guess this topic with these pictures and the hints? Something like we have team brainstorming, a collaborative approach for generating ideas, what we call DDM, what data-driven decision making, the decisions which are mainly driven by data in contrast to individual judgments, and we have something called consensus building consensus in a team or something. Now with this we can correctly guess our topic for the day, that is something like group decision making. So we individuals make decisions, same way we make decisions in a group. So what are the advantages and what are the demerits in group decision making? The advantages very simple. We have very comprehensive ideas, because in a group we have different people with different expertise, different set of knowledge and skills. So we get more ideas and the diverse perspectives and experiences of its members. So it will be a comprehensive and well-rounded solutions we can get. That is the advantage, but it's not that easy. It's easily said than done, because the people we have to sit and talk together. It is time consuming, and sometimes it is costly also, because that many people have to work, and it is prone to groupthink. Like in a group, many people may not contribute their actual ideas, and sometimes it may lead to conflict also if members do not agree with each other. So we need to have a clear path, and we need to have a facilitator in a group decision making setup. Now let us see what are the different types of group decision making. So we can make decisions in a group through techniques including all this, like nominal group techniques. We can have a structured method, it is where the people, individuals, the members, they generate ideas by themselves, then they rank them collectively, they discuss with each other and to reach a consensus. That is nominal group technique, but it is not that effective compared to the other techniques. In Delphi technique, what is done, the expert opinions are obtained on a topic, typically conducted through multiple rounds of anonymous questions. Actually in Delphi what is done, the expert opinions are collected, and without disclosing the identity of the members, again they are circulated to others to get their second opinions, to get their reviews. Then in that way we get the feedback from other members. This technique reduces the impact of individuals, because the other members do not know what overall the other members. So individual biases may not be there, and it promotes balanced perspectives. Another method we have brainstorming. It is actually a free-flowing method, creative approach for generating ideas. And brainstorming, what is special is, initially we do not judge the ideas, or we do not criticize the ideas. Our purpose is to encourage open thinking and generate more and more ideas. When the group runs out of ideas, then we take one idea at a time, and then we criticize and we actually judge, we actually evaluate the ideas. That's the idea here. So we have seen nominal group technique, Delphi technique, and brainstorming as types of group decision making techniques. Now we'll see a real life case study of group decision making. Yes, the startup company, the challenge is a critical decision they have to make about expanding into a new market, whether to enter into a new market with high potential but also risks. So the decision making process, how the team makes decisions, a combination of brainstorming and data driven decisions, data analysis to assess the market, then identify potential challenges and they develop a detailed action plan. The outcomes, the well-informed decisions resulted in successful market entry, okay, demonstrating their power or effective group decision making. This is a real case study. The company solves the challenges of taking a decision whether to enter a high potential but also high risk market. Fine. Now what are the step-by-step group decision making process? This like first define the problem, then we gather information, then we generate the alternatives, then we evaluate the alternatives. Alternatives means the different courses of action. Then we select a solution from the available alternatives, then implement the decision, and then we evaluate the results. Fine. Now, so what we have studied so far, we'll also evaluate pitfalls and challenges in group decision making, groupthink. So people generally conform to the group's opinion rather than disclosing or rather than coming out with their own opinions. Some people reduce their individual effort when working in a group. Sometimes the group may be, a team may be dominated by a few, okay, and the skewed decisions it may make. Sometimes lack of clarity because of that some ineffective decisions may be made. But these are the challenges. But if the challenges are overcome, if it's rightly conducted, groups can make better decisions. Let's test ourselves. What is the difference between a nominal group technique and a brainstorming session? You can find the answers and describe a real life example of a situation where a Delphi technique will be useful. You can find out with a real life question, real life example. What are the 3 common pitfalls to avoid during group decision making? Find the answers. Keep learning. These are the references available. So today we have seen group decision making techniques. It's a powerful technique for getting collective intelligence if used properly. Of course, there are challenges. Happy learning. You are with Dr. Maharajan. Continue watching the videos. Thank you. Bye.